Look, I'm walking up to my bike. Shit came off. Made it home, definitely didn't stay on. I guess this gives me a reason to get a new look. Definitely all cracked up. I'll figure something out. Torch this thing up. Oh, sharp needle. Yeah. That's gonna be... It's a tie wrap that you will use. Just take that end of the other tie wrap and slip it in underneath. Ah, you guys hear that? There he goes. There he goes. Boom. Boom. That one's locked. Right. Fourth one. There you go. Good. Good. Bam! No more chrome back here. I mean, only on my turn signal, but no more chrome bezel. Removed all that for definitely the ratty look. Happy Sunday, everyone.